Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to order labels here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Ordering labels in Trello is not a built-in feature. That means you cannot manually rearrange the order of labels in the label list. However, there are some workarounds and best practices that can help you achieve a sense of order or consistency with your labels. Okay, for example, you are here on your card that you're working with and you added a label. Now you see, you can use a color coding strategically. All right, you can decide on a color coding system where certain colors represent specific priorities, stages, or categories. For example, if you create a new label using the green, that means let's say this is gonna be for Andy. Green means go. Okay, means like it's already good to go. This one, all right. Now, while the red obviously represent something like not yet done, or there's like a problem with it. Click on create, you see that one. And of course, you can still apply same color coding systems across all your Trello boards to maintain consistency. All right, because if you X on it, you see there's going to be a different color. All right, now. And of course, you can add another list, add a list, and of course, add a card, and from there, of course, you can add another labels. So ordering labels according to your custom views that highlights tasks in the preferred order, enhancing your ability to manage tasks based on the specific needs or priorities. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.